Welcome to In Solidum Lawyers, the channel where law is explained without complications and with real cases. Today, we'll discuss a topic that influences everything we buy and sell: competition law. Is it legal for a company to own the market? How does competition impact prices and innovation? And most importantly, what happens when companies play dirty? Stay with us because we'll break it all down for you. If you ever wonder why some products are more expensive than others, or why certain brands seem to control the market, the answer lies in competition law. This set of rules ensures that businesses compete fairly without tricks or abuses that harm consumers and entrepreneurs. Let's think about this. What will happen if a single company controls the entire supply of an essential product? What if the biggest players in the market agree to raise prices with no consequences? Or worse, what if they block new competitors from entering the market? To prevent this, laws exist to protect competition and foster dynamic fair markets. Today we'll answer three key questions to understand why competition law is crucial in today's economy. What exactly does competition law protect? What are the most common illegal practices? How can consumers and businesses report anti-competitive conduct? So, let's get straight to the point. Competition law is like the referee of the market. Its role is to prevent large companies from abusing their power and to ensure a level playing field for everyone. It mainly protects three key aspects. Free competition, ensuring no company creates artificial barriers to prevent others from entering the market. Fair pricing, preventing competitors from colluding to manipulate prices and exploit consumers. Innovation, true competition pushes companies to improve their products and services. A great example is the Microsoft versus European Union case, where the company was accused of anti-competitive practices by forcing users to adopt Internet Explorer instead of allowing open browser choices. Now, things get interesting. Several practices violate competition law and directly harm businesses and consumers. The most common are price-fixing cartels, where multiple companies conspire to set prices and eliminate competition. Abuse monopolies, when a company with significant market power imposes unfair conditions on customers and suppliers. Exclusionary practices, when a company blocks competitors through restricted contracts or abusive clauses. A classic case was Apple versus Qualcomm, where Qualcomm was investigated for imposing illegal restrictions on phone manufacturers to limit competition in communication chips. If you suspect a company is abusing its market power or engaging in illegal agreements, here are some steps that you can take. Report it to authorities. In Ecuador, the Superintendence of Economic Competition investigates and sanctions anti-competitive practices. Sue for damages. Businesses harmed by these practices can seek compensation. Publicly expose it. Often social and media pressure helps expose unfair practices and push authorities to act. An interesting case was Google in the European Union, where it was fined $4.3 billion for anti-competitive practices related to Android. This proves that competition law has teeth and can change the rules of the game. Competition law is essential for a fair, innovative, and accessible market. It's not just a legal issue, it's a guarantee that consumers have choices and reasonable prices. Quick summary: protects competition and prevents abusive monopolies. Fights against price fixing and exclusionary practices. Gives consumers and businesses tools to report and defend themselves. At In Solidum Lawyers, we work to ensure fair and competitive markets. If you have questions or need legal advice, reach out to us. Subscribe, share this video, and join the conversation. See you in the next episode.